Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
From Social 1, we will demonstrate a dialogue containing words so that, such that, so, and such. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Simulyana.
My name is Siti Hawa Ramadhani.
My name is Najwa Rahma.
My name is Yulia Septiani.
Enjoy watching!
Hi guys!
Hi!
What are you doing?
We were thinking about what we would order for lunch.
Yes, we are so confused. That we haven't ordered anything. We are so hungry.
I feel hungry too.
What you guys order?
I think I will order chicken rice. It's such a delicious meal that so many students buy it.
I want fried rice. It looks so yummy.
I want that too.
Wow, it's such a good meal. Let's buy it.
Let's go!
All from us, thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye bye.